Hello students, welcome to the new session. Today topic is basic concepts of lines and angles for class 7th. Before starting this topic, I request all my dear students, when you go outside, please use mask and sanitize your hands. And follow social distancing. Thank you. Now, before starting, we come to the point adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle? When two angles having the same vertex and one common arm is called adjacent angle. Now I will draw the diagram here. A, B, C, O. Here angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Why? Because they having the same vertex O, same vertex O and common arm OB. Now linear pair. You already heard the word linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair means when two adjacent angles form 180 degree, then the pair of angles is called linear pair. I will draw the diagram here. A, B, C, O. Here angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles, and the sum of these two adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. That's why it's a linear pair. Now the third point is parallel lines. Parallel lines. Now what is parallel lines? Two straight lines which do not intersect each other on extending in both directions is called parallel lines. Here I am drawing the lines. First line AB, second line CD. These two lines are called parallel lines because they do not intersecting each other even when we extending both the lines. So we can say AB is parallel to CD. This is the symbol of parallel. Now the fourth point is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. What is perpendicular lines? When two straight lines intersect at an angle of 90 degree, then it is called a perpendicular lines. Like line AB and the line CD intersect at an angle of 90 degree. Then these two lines are called perpendicular lines. So we can write like this: AB is perpendicular to CD. This is the symbol of perpendicular lines. Now fifth point is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. When two straight lines intersect each other, vertically opposite angles are formed. It means This is the first straight line AB. This is the second straight line CD. When two straight lines intersect, vertically opposite angles are formed. It means this angle is vertically opposite angle to this one. It means angle, I will give the name here, OCOB is equal to angle AOD, and vertically opposite angles are always equal measures. Similarly, angle COA is equal to angle BOD. It means this angle is also equal to this angle.